Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today I'll be preparing for you red curry pork with beans. Place the coconut cream or oil in a pan on high heat. When the coconut cream crackles out or the oil lightly smokes, add in the pork and sauté for 2 minutes. Add in the long beans, red curry paste, kafir lime leaves, fish sauce, palm sugar, and beef stock. Mix well, then reduce the liquid by half. Plate the mixture in a serving plate. Drizzle the coconut cream as garnish here and there, and top with the sliced chili or red bell pepper. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.